Hey guys, I'll do a quick video on basically this is a Holley 302 pan, I believe, for the muscle car, or the muscle car pan. I believe it's like a 302. Didn't come with the turbo return on it, but I welded that on there. It looks awesome, I know. If you guys are using or if you got a truck engine and you got the truck windage tray, you want to cut it. Instead of buying the proper F-body windage tray as it recommends, just cut it, dude. It's not a big deal. The front of the pan almost comes down, you know, about that much off of the crank here, and this is a 5.3 and 4.8 crank. This is the factory truck windage tray. So what you do, and it's not a big deal, don't freak out about it, just do it. Just cut the front of it off, it's fine. It is fine. This is what factory had. Just do a straight cut right before the second main cap. Just cut it off. I just cut it off with a cut-off wheel and a grinder. So when you check that, make sure you got your gasket in there for the proper distance. See if I could do this with the phone. Probably not. It will fit. And it will perform fine. That's it.